Hey, good day everyone. I'm super excited to bring you this slow juicer here. Let's check this thing out.
Here's everything that came in the box. So we got the base here and the plug on the back of that. Got this piece here. Lid there. Looks like this is just gonna fit right in there like that. Comes with a couple cups, juice recipes. It's got a little cleaning brush, installation guide, and user guide. All right, for assembling, this piece here, I'm gonna go right on that. And then here we have the auger, and there's our piece there, which matches up with that there. And that's a rubber grommet around that, so you're gonna feel it kind of push down there. So you just wanna get that properly aligned, push down on it. There's that. Now we install the filter skeleton, is what they call this. It just goes on there and give that a little twist. All right, you know you're in proper alignment here when you have these two arrows matched up. It even tells you here that you twist it to the left to lock it. To unlock it, you twist it to the right, just like that, and it'll come out. Lock to the left, that easy. Here's our operator back here too. It's reverse and on. You can put your two cups right below here. Okay, now this piece is to push it down in here, so you want to close that. You put all your stuff in there, and this is to cover that there, and it'll push that down to the auger. All right, I got some celery, some beets, and some apples here. I'm gonna go ahead and start adding them. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. Put my cups right below here. Got 2 cups here. We'll go ahead and start with the celery.
Less is free, no more chains. I found my key. Minimal life, maximum vibes. On this little island, I'm alive, no clutter in my soul, no weight in my pack, just a little
To disassemble this, you'll notice when the lid is down, it won't lock, or it won't unlock. But you got to pull the lid up like this, and now you can twist that off and pull that right out of there for cleaning. There we go. Now we can just clean all that out. Easily rinsed it out. Well, I absolutely love this thing. I'm going to use it a lot. Thanks for watching, everybody.